Stewart C3 is the robust calculator hub available within our Stewart Now app. With Stewart C3, you can generate seller net sheets quickly with up-to-date calculations based on the latest property and tax information. Here's how. In the Stewart C3 dashboard, click Seller Net Sheets. Under General Information, enter the names of the net sheet preparer and the seller. Under that, enter the property address. Notice there is an autofill feature to help you find the right address quickly. When the property address is entered, Stewart C3 automatically pulls up the listing information, including the current owner's name, the assessor's parcel number, year of construction, square footage, number of bedrooms, and number of baths. Above that is a 360-degree view of the property powered by Google Maps. Under Sales Price and Loan Info, there are form fields where you can enter the sales price. Choose the loan type from a pull-down menu and enter loan rate. There's a pop-up calendar where you can adjust a closing date. Below that, you can enter any outstanding loan balances and rates against the property. Once these numbers are entered, the total breakdown section of the net sheet automatically updates estimates for sales price, total costs, loan payoffs, and estimated tax proration. An important feature of the Seller Net Sheets calculator is the auto-population of tax information, including annual property tax, assessor's tax date, and tax rate, if applicable. Click Show Tax Breakdown to see a detailed listing of each tax being assessed on the subject property. The tax data comes directly from the tax assessor's office. Under the Closing Cost pull-down, you can customize a number of closing fees in various fields by amount, fee type, and rate. You can also add closing costs of your own in fields labeled Other. Finally, under Other Costs, you can enter discounts, fees, and percentages for members of the closing team, including appraiser, underwriter, document prep, agents, and more. The total cost breakdown updates every time you enter new information. Another important feature of Stewart C3 is the ability to save your net sheets by simply clicking Save. You can revisit the net sheet and revise it at any time for up to 2 years. And when it's time to share your net sheet, Stewart C3 lets you send it by text, print out a hard copy, or email. You can also save your net sheet as a PDF, including a signature page, to attach to your communications. Contact your sales representative to set up your Stewart Now account to gain access to Stewart C3 today.